Namaste everyone. Welcome to today's art class. Today we are going to learn how to make a beautiful pencil bookmark and a beautiful greeting card which we can give as a gift to our beloved teachers on this Teachers' Day. For making both these articles we need some craft papers, glue, jute rope or woolen thread you can use, a black sketch pen and a scissors or cutter. So let us quickly begin with the activity. First we will be making a pencil bookmark. Here I have taken a square origami sheet. I am going to fold this sheet like this and then like this. This is the base of the pencil. Now we will be taking some other color and we will cut it like the top of the pencil, the peeled part along with the lid. Now we need to paste a strip here to differentiate the eraser from the pencil. Now let us cut a rectangle-like shape for the eraser part and paste it at the end of the pencil. With the help of a sketch pen, you can color the lid of the pencil like this. I am tying a jute rope like a bow on my pencil like this. You can decorate your pencil in some other form also with some other available material. And if you have some bead available, you can just paste the bead in the center of the bow. And then you can write a beautiful message for your teacher on this pencil bookmark and color it with the sketch pen. So this way your bookmark is ready. Now let's see how we can make a beautiful card for our teacher. Here I have taken a white sheet of 18 by 20 centimeters. I am going to draw a tea kettle on this with the help of a pencil, and then with the help of a cutter I am going to cut this oval from the center. Now we will color the remaining parts of the kettle with the help of a black sketch pen. Here at the bottom, I am going to draw a cup and a saucer. I am going to cut the body of the cup and I am going to color the handle and the saucer with black sketch pen. Here I have cut some small alphabets, numbers, symbols and signs. These alphabets and numbers are going to be poured in a cup. So I am going to paste this white sheet on this pink sheet, and the size of this pink sheet is a bit larger than the white one. Here I have taken 4 cardboard strips to be pasted behind this white sheet to give the tea kettle and cup a 3D look. And then we will be pasting the whole frame on the pink sheet like this. I am going to paste these alphabets and numbers inside the tea kettle. In the cup, and as if the alphabets and numbers are pouring here. Now we are going to write a beautiful message on our card. You can write any message of your choice. Here I am writing mine. And you can make a beautiful stand out of ice cream sticks or natural sticks, and you can put this card on that, or you can just make a normal envelope and put the card inside. And after making these articles, you need to click a picture of both the articles and send it to me on my mail ID shikha@zenix.net. Keep learning, keep laughing. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.